Hello, once again, welcome back to my channel. I think you all were waiting for this video, this interesting part of this chapter. So, yeah, I'm back with this new video. So, I think you were so much excited to know the rest of the stories of Kezia. So, further going to more discussion. Let's begin it. A hue and cry in the house. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Hue and cry means we all know that, but hue means means some of us know it, but some doesn't know it. So let's see what is hue means. Hue means making noise. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. Means father was searching for the important speech to deliver in the port house. That important speech was written in a fine paper. So where is that paper? Father was searching that very much. Means that was an very important paper, and we all know that port house is a very vital place. So her father was nervous, tensed, and very angry of that. Why he is not getting that important paper. So after that, rooms were searched, servants were questioned. Means servants every one of their house were asking. Her father questioned everyone of his house, but no one seen that. Father went to Kezia's room. He asked her about them. Kezia did not tell a lie. She told him that she had torn those papers. Torn means tear. That means Kezia never tells lie. And yeah, we should be like Kezia. We should not tell lie. What hard that true will be, means how much hard the true can be, but we cannot tell lie, especially on our father and mother. So Kezia was a good girl. She told the truth to her father that he has torn those papers. So the next stanza is: Father summons Kezia and beats her. Then father summons Kezia and beats her very much. Father asked Kezia to come to the drawing room. He was very angry. He was passing to and fro. Kezia was greatly frightened. He asked Kezia if she had done that. She whispered. Father asked mother to go to Kezia's room and fetch those torn papers. Meanwhile, he asked Kezia to hold out her hands. He beat her on her hands. He did so to teach her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. That means the children should not take any important paper without saying their parents. Sometimes it may be very important paper, sometimes it may be less important paper, but whatever should it, but we have to at first mention our parents that I'm taking this paper, or whether can I take this paper or not. We have to ask our parents very nicely. That means the first step before taking anything that did not belongs to us, we should take permission of that material, that whether I can take it or not. That permission does not take Kezia. The permission does not taken by Kezia. That's why she was beaten a lot. Means her father beats a lot. That why should you take it? You have to notice that this is not belonging to you. So why are you taking this? The father told Kezia like this. So yeah, we should not take like this. Next topic is that Kezia's reaction. Kezia heard this. She replied that what she did was for his birthday. Kezia was beaten on her hands. Hours later, her grandmother had wrapped Kezia in a shawl. She clung to her when she was being rocked in the rocking chair. What did God make father for? So Kezia's reaction was like that. I think you understand this Kezia's reaction because this is written in a very simple language. That Kezia was beaten on her hands. Hours later, her grandmother had wrapped Kezia in a shawl. He clung when she was being rocked in the rocking chair. Means we all know that rocking chair. So when she clung to her when she was being rocked in the rocking chair. What did God makes for? God make father for, means why is father is, means why we record father. So Kezia was a small little girl, so she does not know the importance of father. We all love our father very much, and Kezia was very little. She did not understand everything, so she was very kid actually. So this was Kezia's reaction. So the after Kezia's reaction, there are so many, means there are there is also some interesting points. So I will so to know these points, I will be meeting you in my next video. For today, take care and bye.